We're at 350 South M Street, Unit A. Entering into our front door here, we have our foyer area, and then you can see our living room and our kitchen towards the back. We have lots of good lighting throughout all of these windows. Today is just a rainy day, so not much sun. We have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in this unit. They are set up Jack and Jill style. So first we'll show you the kitchen here. We have the stove and the fridge, and then turning back towards the living area, you can see our front door there. Now the bedrooms and bathroom are on the right side of the home. So first we'll go to bedroom number 1. This is on the back side of the unit. So here is bedroom number 1. We have laminate flooring throughout the unit, so that's great for easy cleaning. No central heating or cooling. We have 3 window units here, and that is how the unit is cooled. Heading back out, next is the bathroom. So we're entering from the living room, but these 2 other doors here lead to bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. And then here is that bathroom. We have a tub shower combo. Another window for some lighting, but it does look into your own backyard, so you do still have privacy. Back into the living room, we're walking towards the front of the unit now. You can see our front door. Taking a step down, then a step up, and here is bedroom number 2. So this is on the front side of the unit. So we have this space here, and then we have this additional space with the closet. And then you can see the door to our bathroom through here as well. We'll show you that again. So here is our bathroom space. Now turning around, you'll see this door here. This goes to the backyard and the laundry area. So this is the back door exit. So we have our backyard, and then turning, we have our laundry closet. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 350 South M Street, Unit A, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.